Recording. The lights are on here at Plymouth Harbor. Looking out toward Bug Light, Fox Island, Sacred Head. Storm is beginning to leave the area. We had some very vivid lightning just come overhead. Still a few flashes around. But behind us is a new day. And it's coming our way, folks. Here's the worst is over here at Plymouth. Ooh, the lightning still flashing all around us. Jesus, every time I go look here, Piffalo, you know?
Yeah, there's some good stuff out there. There you go.
I think I got some of those.
It's a beauty.
There's an enormous one here. That thing looks like it hit the bottom or something. Down here, how many people you think are doing selfies or whatever?
Oh, yeah. This over here looks like this boat.
Oh man, what a bolt just hit the end of Plymouth Beach. Massive bolt. Hopefully we can catch one of those. I'm gonna hang on right where I am.
Right here.
Oh yeah. Looking out toward Plymouth Beach. The end is right in front of us. Just a massive, massive bolt of lightning just hit it.